Every mountain has a story. Some are written by nature and some by the people who dared to dream the impossible. Our journey to Jungfraujoch is a little bit of both. It began on a quiet road to Grindelwald, crossed valleys in a cable car, traveled through mountains on a railway built over a century ago, and ended above the clouds. But the real story wasn't about reaching the top of Europe, it was everything that happened along the way. As we drove deeper into the Swiss Alps, the scenery slowly transformed around us. Rolling meadows became towering peaks, tiny wooden chalets appeared in the distance, and every bend in the road felt like another postcard. Somewhere between the winding roads and the first glimpse of the mountains, we stopped thinking about the destination and simply enjoyed the journey. Soon it was time to leave roads behind. We stepped into the Eiger Express, one of the Switzerland's newest engineering marvels, opened in 2020 to make the journey to Jungfraujoch faster and smoother. As the cabin floated silently above the valley, everyone seemed to do the same thing: stop talking and start looking outside. The green fields disappeared beneath us, replaced by rugged cliffs, waterfalls, and snow covered peaks that felt close enough to touch. The cable car was only half the adventure. The next chapter belonged to the legendary Jungfrau Railway. Imagine standing here in 1896 and telling someone that trains would one day pass through the heart of these mountains. It sounded impossible until it wasn't. After 16 years of carving tunnels through the solid rock, the railway finally reached Jungfraujoch in 1912. More than a century later, we found ourselves traveling that very same route through tunnels that once existed only in someone's imagination. After tunnels, anticipation, and breathtaking views, the train finally slowed down. We had made it. At 3,454 meters above sea level, Jungfraujoch is home to Europe's highest railway station. The air felt colder, the silence felt deeper, and for a few moments, all we could do was stand still and let the mountains speak for themselves. Before stepping outside, we wandered into the ice palace. Hidden beneath the glacier, its frozen corridors and shimmering sculptures felt like a secret world preserved in time. Every footstep echoed slowly across the ice, making the entire experience feel peaceful, surreal, and unlike anything we had seen before. Then came the moment we had been waiting for, stepping outside into a landscape of endless snow, crisp mountain air, peaks stretching beyond the horizon. Somewhere in the distance, the mighty Alstache glacier quietly carved its way through the Alps, reminding us just how timeless this place really is. For a while, nobody needed to say anything. The view did all the talking. And then there were the little surprises. A complimentary landed chocolate waiting for us on the Jungfrau train, a Jungfrau Passport stamped right at the top of Europe, tiny souvenirs somehow became the memories we will treasure the most. Because travel isn't always about collecting things, sometimes it's about collecting moments. Years from now, we might forget the exact route we took or how long the trip lasted, but we will always remember the feeling of standing above the clouds, surrounded by silence, realizing that some places aren't just visited, they are experienced. And that's the magic of Jungfraujoch. Until the next adventure, this is LaidBack Journey.